Hello everyone, this video will show you how to be a participant in Strathcona County's virtual classes. First step is to register for your class using Recreation Online. Please make sure that your email and contact information are correct on your Recreation Online account. As you can see, Strathcona County has created a few different options for virtual programming. Your link for your class will be sent through email about an hour before your class is scheduled to begin. Please make sure to check your junk folder just in case. Your email should have information regarding any equipment you may need for the class, as well as an email and phone number, just in case you should have any further questions. The link for your virtual class will be right at the top of the email. So I'll just go ahead and click here and we'll be redirected to another web browser. Please note that Microsoft Teams will only work on the newest version of Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Included in the class email are links for a free download for your preferred web browser. Okay, now that we've been redirected, you can see that I have a few different options for Microsoft Teams. I can use either the web browser or I can join on the app. Either option will work, it's just a preference. For the purpose of this video, I will be demonstrating on the web version. I have the Microsoft Teams app downloaded onto my computer, so this is why you're seeing this pop up right here. I'm going to just click cancel and we're going to continue on the web browser. Now, we're going to just continue here. We'll be directed to what's called the waiting room. So I'm just going to wait till the computer loads. So I'm just going to turn off my camera and my mic. Okay, so we've been directed into the waiting room. On the screen, you'll see that it asks you to enter your name. Please enter your first name and last initial. So mine is just already entered because I've been using the app before. This will be helped to use instructors identify you during attendance and also throughout the class. You also have your camera and microphone options. If you want to leave your camera on, your instructor will be better able to interact with you, but you can always choose to turn it off as well. Please note, if your camera is on, other participants in your class will be able to see you. Don't forget to turn off your mic with this little toggle bar right here. So now we're going to hit join now, and this will send a notification to your instructor that you're in the waiting room and they'll be able to let you in the class. So it just takes me a moment because I have to do it on another computer. So just wait a second. Okay, now we are connecting and you are in the class. So I have my camera off and my mic off, and this little bar up here is just saying that you're an attendee. So you're not going to be the one facilitating the class. So the instructor will be spotlit, meaning that their image will remain the focus throughout the class. If for some reason the instructor is not the main image, you can just right-click and select Pin. So now your instructor's face will be the main focus of your screen. So if you're using a smartphone or a tablet, you just hold down on their image and then select Pin. The bottom toolbar will also disappear with an inactive cursor. So you can move your mouse or you can just tap the screen if you're using a phone or a tablet. Down here, this means the time elapsed since joining the meeting, your camera settings, your microphone settings, if you would like to raise your hand, as well as a chat function should you want to say anything in the chat. So if you would like to leave the class, you can just hang up here. But if you accidentally hang up, all that you have to do is just click rejoin, and then you'll be back in the class. I'll just add you back in on this screen. There you go, and you're back in the class. Okay, and the most important thing is don't forget to have fun. I hope you enjoy Strathcona County's virtual classes. Take care.